To deposit money from Zelle to Wells Fargo, start by ensuring you have the Wells Fargo mobile banking app installed on your device. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in to your Wells Fargo account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer and Pay tab. Then select Send Money with Zelle. If you haven't enrolled in Zelle yet, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the prompts to enroll, which will require you to accept the terms of service and verify your email address or mobile number. After enrolling in Zelle, you can proceed to receive money from others. To do this, provide the sender with your email address or mobile number associated with your Zelle account. When someone sends you money through Zelle, you will receive a notification informing you that the funds are available in your Zelle account. To deposit the money into your Wells Fargo account, go back to the Transfer and Pay tab. Then select Transfer from Zelle. Choose the account you want to deposit the funds into, such as your checking or savings account, and confirm the transfer. The funds will be deposited into your account immediately, and you can use them right away. It is essential to note that there are no fees to receive money through Zelle and transfer it to your Wells Fargo account. However, there may be limits on the amount of money you can receive and transfer. So be sure to check your account limits before initiating a transfer. Additionally, make sure you are sending and receiving money with people you trust, as transactions through Zelle are typically irreversible. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money from Zelle to your Wells Fargo account. The process is quick, convenient, and secure, making it an excellent option for receiving and managing your money.